And then there is GLM 4.5, the best open source AI model that beats Kimi 2 and Queen 3. Is that true? Is it the king, really? In the AI world, there is so much that's happening right now. Now, GLM 4.5 is a new Chinese AI model that actually is making noise and it's powerful. It lets you build full stack web application. You can see all these different models that are here. It's beating Minimax, it's also beating DeepSeek, it's also beating Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's rivaling with the Kimi 2. So 23 is down here and you can see that. Let's see the benchmarks. Here is the performance. Does it actually stand up? It's number 3 after OpenAI O3 and the Grok 4. The agent stuff, you can see how it compares to Sonnet, how it compares to Kimi 2, how it compares to 23 Coder. So here I've been using it. You can see here we have a full stack feature which allows you to build full stack web applications. In the last few days, I've been using it to create so many different web applications, as you can see here. Do I think it's powerful? Yes, it is, because I've been using it in the few days here. I've been building full stack web applications. These are fully working code bases, which are error free. As it is building these websites, it's also going to look for links and errors and fix them on its own without you doing anything to it. Now, the key is how you prompt it, how you ask it to build things for you. I'm going to give it a prompt right now to show you how powerful it is. This is a prompt of what I want you to do right now. Design and code a high conversion futuristic portfolio website for a digital creator who teaches AI, monetization, and also tech skills. The website must use the Next.js 14, feature neon glow effects for text, and also borders and hover animations, things like that. This is a prompt that I use to test the powerfulness of an AI. If it's going to come up with a beautiful website that competes to this, then I'll know that yeah, it is powerful. If it doesn't, then it's not as powerful as I think. This is going three quarter. It was able to design this beautiful, good looking portfolio AI website. And so if there is an AI that's going to compete with that and to build an AI website portfolio like that one, then yeah, we're going to say it is powerful. So let's wait for it and see what it's going to do here. As you can see, it's scaffolding the setup. It does everything that you need to do as a web developer. It puts all the environment variables and all the files that you need to have in your project. This side, you can see your code base and how far it has done. So far, you can see all the files that it generated. You can see the structure there, and here it is showing you what it is doing behind the scene. It's running the command prompt without you doing anything. It's also thinking, as you can see here, it thinks. It also makes a to-do of everything that it's going to do to build your web application. So I think this is just powerful because agentic coding, and you see this is a to-do here, agentic coding, and you have a to-do list that you are following and you have to finish that. I think that's just the future, because if you're just, you see, here it's going to do 14 things to come up with our portfolio website. It's going to create a futuristic theme and the neon glow effects and custom CSS. It's going to build animated loading screen and all these things. This is a to-do list. So it's going to start implementing one by one all these items that we have on this to-do list. And here, as you can see, it's creating a theme, neon glow effect. This is the first thing. So as if I sit here and wait for it to do all these things, it might take so much time. The goal is it should create something that looks like this or better than this, at least. Then that's how we'll know that it is the king of agentic coding, because this was the same prompt that I gave to Quen 3 Coder, and it was able to do a powerful thing. Design and code a high conversion futuristic portfolio website for a digital creator who teaches AI, monetization, and tech skills. It was able to build this beautiful, good looking and clean website. You see, everything here looks clean. The margins, the spacings, and everything, nothing is misbehaving here. And when I click on this toggle effect to toggle between the dark mode and light mode, it works. When I click on these, oh, the only downside is that the links here, yeah, when I hover over them, they are showing. And when I click it, it works. When I click on any of these links here, it works. I can toggle back to dark mode and they still work. The, everything works. So even this is my expectations. As you can see here, it did one. Now it's going to the second to-do list. It's going to build an animated loading screen with custom logo, which is even beautiful. Now, if you ask me, this is powerful compared to these other AIs that you actually pay more for you to just come up with a complete code base like it, the code base that it's going to give you here. This is a complete error-free code base with all the things that you need. When you download this, you can just maybe change two, three, four things, and you're done to go. This is a completely working full stack code base, and you are generating all this code for free. All right, this is powerful. You see, a complete code base, full stack code base with all the API endpoints, everything that you need, things like that. The shell here, it's initializing it's checking for errors. You see what I was saying? Here it's checking for errors and the links. You see the loading effect? Wow, this is good. So let's expand the screen a little bit here so we can see what's happening. The loading bar at the bottom also is loading the website. You see, and we have a website. Okay, this, okay, ah, nice. This is a website that we got. And the logo here with the neon background light effects. We have the menus working here. Also, if I click on the testimonial, I'll be taken to the student success stories, and I'll be able to see the success stories of the students. I click on the about, I'll be taken to the about page. Okay, this is powerful. The background with the grid, you see the grid system there, it's beautiful. You have everything here, the background lights. Okay, so remember what I said about prompt engineering. Here, if you were to give it the exact colors to use in your web app, it was going to do exactly that. And you're getting so many colors that maybe the gradient colors you don't even like them. This is because we did not specify what colors it should use. I just gave it a simple prompt to build a futuristic portfolio website, and here it did a good job. Actually, it is a good job. It's just that Queen 3 coder is extraordinary. This also is powerful. The thing that I love about this is it can run links for you to check the errors for you that you might miss if you're just doing it yourself. This is a working website and it works. It is complete. It's a full stack. You can see this section. Oh, I can toggle between the light mode and the dark mode. Dark mode and light mode. Okay, so this is the toggle. Ah, nice. And my friends, this is GLM-4.5, a full stack AI developer that gives you the complete working code base that is error free and works. I did not do anything here. This is a full stack web app that it just built. The only thing that I did is to just give it instructions on what to design. This is a simple prompt that we have here, and it did everything for us. This is something that other AI models fail to do. This is something that you can have a problem with if you're doing it on your own. But if you were to download this code base and just polish it and change these colors here, it's a powerful way to start. These can be used as a prototype. So now let's check everything that it built here. So on top here we have a nav bar, then we have the hero section with the transform your digital future. Then here we have the buttons to start your journey, to watch a demo and a free guide. The student thought, the projection completion. Then we have the about me section. This is a portfolio website, so we should have that section, of course. Then you can see the expertise down here, then the journey of whom this person. In 2020, digital journey begins. 2021, first breakthrough, and then you have everything here looks good and it's well organized. Then down here we have a featured projects. section, and you have all these featured projects. You have all these featured project sections, and down here you have all these featured projects. Then here you can see we have more projects. If someone is interested to see more projects and they have a project in mind, you can actually start a project together with me, conversation, free resources, ebooks, or things like that. Then you have more resources. Here, get exclusive resources by signing up to maybe newsletter, things like that. Student success stories section, and the more success stories. Down here, you can also start your journey. You can view all stories, and you can also down here, the other section, book a consultation call. And when it's done doing whatever it was doing this site, you can see that you have the download button. You also have the option to see the code base and the website itself. You can toggle between the code base. Here you can see all the source code, everything that it generated here for you. All you have to do here is just click on download. It's going to be downloaded, and you can open it with the zip file. And here you can also just publish this if you want to. This is it about GLM-4.5 Chinese AI agent that builds full stack websites for you. If you have any questions about it, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, subscribe for more videos like this. Like it and share it with other people who it might help. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.